All right, now we have the completed Pennsylvania Railroad heavyweight consist. First, we have the K-Line K4S in the pre-war paint scheme with the nice pinstriping. Then we have three Lionel REA Express Reefers in their milk car configuration. Then we have an MTH R50 Express Reefer. And then two Weaver baggage cars. Now we start the Golden Gate Depot cars, first with a RPO car. And then baggage car. And let's head back to the front again. Then we have, here is a combine. And then starting into the P70 passenger cars, we've got four of them. My dog is wanting attention, can you tell? There's number 3. And the last one. Do need a few more passengers in there. It's a little empty. And then the diner car. And then finally the observation car lounge with a nice porch on the back. Definitely need a drum head for that. And that's it.